Having weak, brittle nails can be frustrating, especially when they chip or peel, no matter how careful you are. But the good news is that the right nail strengthener can work wonders to restore your nails' health and vitality. In this video, we'll review the top 5 best nail strengtheners, detailing their features, benefits, and why they might be the perfect fit for your needs. Let's dive in and find your ideal match to achieve beautiful, strong nails. Kicking off our list at number 1, Barielle Nail Strengthener. Barielle Nail Strengthener is a cult favorite designed specifically for those struggling with brittle, peeling, or cracking nails. Packed with nourishing ingredients, this formula is known for its ability to fortify nails while leaving a glossy finish, making it a multitasker for both treatment and beauty. Key features: the Barielle Nail Strengthener is infused with protein-rich ingredients to enhance nail structure. It contains antioxidants that protect nails from environmental damage and helps prevent future breakage. The product can be used as a standalone treatment or as a base coat under your favorite nail polish. Benefits and usage: the Barielle Nail Strengthener promotes long-lasting results with consistent use. Apply 1 or 2 coats directly to clean nails twice a week for best results. It strengthens nails from within, helping them grow healthier and more resistant to chipping and splitting. Usability: the application is smooth and effortless, with a quick-drying formula that doesn't feel heavy on the nails. It's suitable for everyday use and is safe for sensitive nails as it is free of harmful chemicals like formaldehyde and toluene. Durability: Barielle Nail Strengthener doesn't just provide temporary fixes, it builds lasting resilience in nails with regular application. Many users notice significant improvement within a few weeks, making it a go-to for sustainable nail health. In the second spot, we have Julep Oxygen Nail Treatment. The Julep Oxygen Nail Treatment is a revolutionary product formulated to strengthen nails while allowing them to breathe. Combining nail care with beauty, this treatment also adds a subtle tint, giving your nails a polished, natural look. Key features: the Julep Oxygen Nail Treatment uses a patented oxygen technology that delivers essential nutrients directly to the nails. It contains hexanol for hardening, green tea extract for protection, and a blend of vitamins for nourishment. Its satin finish makes it a chic alternative to clear polish. Benefits and usage: this treatment is ideal for anyone looking to restore damaged nails while enjoying a polished appearance. Apply 1 coat to bare nails once or twice a week. It's perfect for busy individuals who want nail care and style in one step. Usability: the lightweight formula glides on effortlessly and dries quickly, making it convenient for everyday use. Its breathable technology ensures that your nails remain healthy while being protected, setting it apart from traditional treatments. Durability: with regular use, the Julep Oxygen Nail Treatment not only strengthens nails, but also keeps them looking flawless. Its chip-resistant finish ensures your nails stay neat and polished for days, making it an excellent choice for active lifestyles. Coming in at number 3 is the Mavala Scientifique. Mavala Scientifique is a potent nail hardener known for its unique ability to seal and strengthen nail tips. This product is a game-changer for those with soft, splitting nails that struggle to grow past a certain length. Key features: Mavala Scientifique is enriched with active ingredients that penetrate the nail plate, bonding the nail layers together. Its fast-acting formula is designed to strengthen nails from the tips where they are most vulnerable to breakage. Benefits and usage: the product delivers noticeable results within weeks. Apply a small amount directly to clean nail tips once a week. It dries almost instantly, making it a quick addition to your nail care routine. Usability: the brush applicator allows for precise application, ensuring you only use the product where needed. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky or heavy residue, making it ideal for regular use. Durability: Mavala Scientifique's effects are long-lasting, especially when used consistently. It reinforces nails against everyday wear and tear, helping them grow stronger and healthier over time. Its compact bottle is perfect for on-the-go nail care. Taking our 4th spot is Deborah Lippmann Hard Rock. Deborah Lippmann Hard Rock is a dual-purpose nail treatment that serves as both a strengthener and a base coat. Known for its salon-quality results, this product is a favorite among nail enthusiasts and professionals alike. Key features: this formula is fortified with protein and biotin to promote nail growth and strength. It also contains green tea and aucumia for added nourishment and flexibility. Its versatile formula works seamlessly under nail polish, enhancing its longevity. Benefits and usage: Deborah Lippmann Hard Rock repairs and strengthens nails while preventing breakage. Apply a thin coat to clean nails as a standalone treatment or as a base coat before polish. Its clear finish makes it a practical and stylish choice for everyday use. Usability: the smooth, fast-drying formula makes it easy to incorporate into your nail care routine. It's particularly effective for those who frequently wear nail polish and want added protection against damage. Durability: with consistent use, Deborah Lippmann Hard Rock fortifies nails against chipping and peeling. Its effects are noticeable within weeks, offering long-term benefits for healthier, more resilient nails. Its high-quality formulation ensures it remains a reliable choice over time. And finally, at number 5, we have CND SolarOil. CND SolarOil is a nourishing treatment designed to hydrate and strengthen nails and cuticles. Its rich blend of natural oils and vitamins makes it a standout product for anyone seeking healthier, shinier nails. Key features: the formula combines jojoba oil, almond oil, and vitamin E to deliver deep hydration and protection. It penetrates deeply into the nail and surrounding skin, promoting flexibility and reducing the risk of breaks and splits. Benefits and usage: CND SolarOil is ideal for restoring moisture and preventing brittleness. Apply a small amount to nails and cuticles daily, massaging gently for maximum absorption. It's a great option for those who want a natural, chemical-free approach to nail care. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving nails and cuticles feeling nourished and smooth. It's easy to use and integrates seamlessly into your existing nail care routine, making it a versatile addition. Durability: the benefits of CND SolarOil extend beyond immediate hydration. With regular use, it improves nail flexibility and reduces the likelihood of breaks. Its nourishing properties make it a long-term solution for healthier, more resilient nails. Weak and brittle nails don't have to be a lifelong struggle. With these top 5 nail strengtheners, you can restore your nails' health, strength, and beauty. Whether you need deep hydration, added flexibility, or robust protection, there's a product here to suit your needs. Try one of these strengtheners today and start your journey to stronger, healthier nails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tips.